Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another product review here. This one I have been using for quite a while here, so I could give a proper thorough review. This is one of the sketchbooks by Viviva Colors. They have their nice logo there, and some of that other information I will mention in just a second here. Just wanted to show, just open it up here so you can see that I did use it a few times, and I do enjoy the size of the one that is here. It was 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. And the paper is nice quality, it's nice and thick. I used watercolor, ink, and gouache so far in this journal. And everything looks really nice. There is nothing like shown through. You can very easily use both sides as shown there. And there's lots of sheets there. And then in the back there's that small pocket so you can stick something small, extra sheets of paper maybe, whatever you want in there. And then you do have your elastic closure there, which is nice for travel. Very minimal buckling, which is always good. And for some of the specific details, this sketchbook was $16. It is the A5 ivory. They are handmade. The paper thickness was 240 GSM, which will translate to 120 pound. And this particular one is hot pressed, 64 pages. They do come in, it's a creamy color, and it's smooth in texture. Let's see here, the premium faux leather. Oh, the leather bound around it. It is vegan friendly. And then you do have your little elastic strap there. And as I did show, this particular sketchbook will lay flat on a table, which is really nice, so it won't like bump up or anything. And let's see, they are handmade, eco-friendly paper, which is nice too. Overall, I am really happy with this notebook. Like I said before, I really enjoy this size. They do have other sizes available on their website. I believe that some of them were a bit smaller than this one. And let's see, it was great for travel. I actually did take it with me on the go quite a bit. The quality is very nice. Normally I get cold pressed, but I did enjoy the this hot pressed paper as well. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.